Hello, my dear viewers. This is the Dugas Copy Academy, and you are watching Forex Trading with Rakesh. I'm your host here. My name is Rakesh, and I'll be delivering. I'll be covering up in next few minutes. I'll be covering the key levels from where the prices can reverse. Hi, Sandy. Welcome to the stream. Guys, please do not confuse me as an employee of Dukas Copy Bank. I have to tell you that I'm not their employee. Therefore, this is not coming directly from the Dukas Copy research team. I'm an independent trader and analyst. So whatever I'm going to tell you here, it is my own analysis. It has nothing to do with the Dukas Copy Bank. Now we'll be strictly discussing the price action here, and we'll not talk about anything that is there in the news. And if you know already, like I do, that every piece of information is already in the chart. So there's no need to talk about anything that is coming in the news. Okay. So we'll only follow the charts for our analysis. And for this particular webinar that we are doing every day at 1700 GMT, we use candlestick type of charts to determine the key levels. Also, we'll see how we can use those key levels that we determine in our analysis. Okay. Also, I want to tell you that if you have any questions or suggestions or anything that doesn't suit you or that suits you and you like it or you don't like it, you can discuss that in the chat. We are live right now. You are just 5 seconds away from me. And before I start the session, I must also inform you that this is only for information or knowledge purpose. This live stream cannot be seen as a trading advice. I may say somewhere, buy this, sell this, this looks good for buy, or this looks good for sell. That doesn't mean that I'm giving you any trading advice. So please do your own research before you put your money on the live account or you put trades in the live accounts. Do not base your trades on my analysis, please. Yes, you can understand, you can learn from it, and then you can do your own research before you put your money on the line. So before we begin, let's go through the risk disclaimer. I'll be keeping it short today, guys. So if you have any questions, you can write them in the chat beforehand so that I can answer them. I will be keeping it short. Okay, so this is a standard risk disclaimer. You can go through it. If you want, you can pause the video here, because there's really a lot of risk that is involved when you're trading on the margin money. Okay, I cannot wait to go to the charts. Right now on your screen is the US dollar index. This is a daily chart based on the candlestick and the bid prices. What is happening, guys? It looks like the dollar is bullish now. Is it? No, it is not bullish. It is just trying to retrace to the previous levels from where the selling started. So this is the level from where the selling started, and I'm expecting 103.73 to 103.75 only to act as a resistance. Now it can go higher, but I will be expecting it to come down from here only, or otherwise this order block that I have created 103.93. So I'm not expecting the price to go above 104 now. Even if it starts going here, this high, can you see 104.22 level, this should act as a good resistance now for the price to go higher. So any rise should be seen as a selling opportunity. So the guys who are trying to buy this candle of the US dollar, I think they will be in pain tomorrow, maybe, or next week. Okay, because I'm expecting the prices of 102.80 in this one. It doesn't mean that if I am expecting these prices they will be delivered, but the price action is suggesting that there was a strong and convincing close below this, and as such there was no buying yesterday. Why there is a buying today? So this can be just a, what do you call it, pullback before it delivers down to 102.80. let's go. Pound. What is happening in the pound? So the pound made a high of 1.3044 and then it started going down. So is it a sell-off? Do you think it is a sell-off? Does it look like a sell-off? Oh, it's a pullback. So to what extent this pullback can go? Actually, it can go to 1.2777. But you look at this low here. On the 4-hour, you will see that this is a swing low. On the 4-hour time frame, it looks like a swing low. So will the price go below this? Well, if it does, then at least on the 4-hour, it will be a downswing. Yes, it will be a downtrending market structure. But I'm expecting the price to actually reverse before the price goes below this low. That is what my expectation is. So let's see how the things unfold. But right now, yes, the price is going down because the US dollar is going up. To what extent it can go? 1.2777 is, I'm expecting it to go. I'm not expecting it to go to that level, but I think if it starts going, then it can go to that extent without me changing my bias to the downside. So my bias will remain bullish, but if it trades below 1.2777 on the daily candle, then I think I will turn bearish. So what about the euro? Well, euro is an inside bar. It has not even closed lower than it has not even seen the lower prices than the yesterday. Whereas the pound is on the verge of seeing that. It has also not seen all those. So it is safe. Euro is quite safe. If it starts going down, I will be expecting the price to reach 1.0852 to find supporters here. But if the price extends to 1.0805, uh, to me that is also okay. But if it trades even one tick below the low of this candle, then I'll turn bearish on the euro USD. I hope that is understood. Where is the next level of resistance? 1.0963. Where is the next level of support? Potential support is 1.0852, but I will wait till 1.0805 is not broken. Till then I will be a buyer only. Below that I will become a seller. Of course, if there is a low and then higher high, then we may change our low, and the market structure will shift based on that. Australian dollar is trying to make lower low, lower high, and it is not a lower low, but it is on the verge of making a lower low. If it does, don't change your market structure. Look at the bigger picture. Look from the hawk's eye view. Boom, 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 boom. So the price has to test 0.6871. Don't you think so? Because if it had to go down, it could have gone down from here. Why did it go higher? Because it want to reach 4.6871. Well, this is a little common sense also here. So yes, the price will go here, then eventually will get bought back, and eventually will go higher. I think this is a trap for the sellers. I think this is a trap for the sellers. Let's see. Where is the potential resistance? This 0.6799 is the next level of resistance. Potential resistance. Potential support will be at these highs that the price. Okay, so I'll just make that available to you. So these highs, I'm expecting them to act as a support now for the price when it goes and reaches to these levels. All right. New Zealand dollar also, I think yesterday we got some buying here, but you see how the New Zealand dollar is red today. I think I told you yesterday that sell on dollar strength. Today dollar is strong, so it is selling off. But to what extent it can go also, if it closes the day lower than 0.6048, which it has not closed day before yesterday, then we will start looking for the lower prices. But till then, I think this was a wick. So it seems like weak. It has rebounded to this level, and so that's why I think I have crossed it, because it is a weak market. US dollar is also weak, so they are both correlated right now, and trading this market is not a good idea. I think if it starts going down, then I'll be looking for the buying opportunity close to this level. Right now I'm not trading it, so I'm not even analyzing it, guys. UST CHF, yes, a very clean close below the support area. Now it is trying to go into that fair value gap again. Expect 50% of it to be traced, and then boom, down to 0.8730. This is what my expectation is about UST CHF. The potential resistance here now is at, I think, so when the price has made a low low, so this becomes your 0.8979 on the daily basis is your potential resistance now. This may offer resistance because this is a broken support, but 0.8913 is not your swing resistance. Okay. USD CAD, we discussed about it. We are bullish on this, and a pullback should be seen as a buying opportunity. 1.3756 is the resistance for the USD CAD. Potential support is 1.3653. USD JPY, well, bounced off from these lows. Some might think that, oh, there's a buying in the USD JPY. No, there's no buying. Okay, this is potential, I think, what do you call it, retracement for these lows, or maybe these lows, before it heads back. I'm expecting sell off again in the USD JPY in the coming time. So where is the potential support? This is not the potential support. Actually, we can delete it. The potential support is around 154.54. Okay, actually these lows are taken out, so we should keep them on the chart. Once we close again below this, then this should start acting as a resistance. All right, guys. New Zealand CAD, beautiful selling. Yes, day before yesterday there was a pullback from 0.8246. Any trade below that will open up the way for 0.8201, and even these lower targets. and this one. 0.8065 is the ultimate on this one till here, then 0.7940. I think we can keep this also on our chart for to be on the safe side. And if we have to start buying this market, then the price has to go above this resistance for us to become buyers. 0.8345 is the resistance above which we can become buyer in the New Zealand CAD, which I am not willing to do right now. Bitcoin, we discussed about this. Okay, there is sufficient proof that the Bitcoin is going to go higher now. So where it can go, I think this is the level that you should keep an eye on. All right, so this level can be a potential support to the price. What is that level? Around 62900. 62,900 is the potential support for the Bitcoin, with the first target of 67,318. That's it, guys. Brent, well, did it go there? No, didn't go there. Okay, let me break it down. This is Brent, guys. We are bearish on this one, but if it trades above 86.36, then we are not bearish anymore. Okay, till the time it is trading below 86.36 on this particular chart, we are bearish in this one. Let me break it down what happened during the day. I'm opening a 2-hour chart to have a view. So the price wanted to go higher above these highs. It sold off very badly. Then it is finding difficult from this level gap to go higher. So yes, this is again a sell on rise market, but this value gap traded and the price went higher. Okay, this value gap traded, and if the price starts coming down from here, also the price has to reach below 83.74 for us to become sellers. Now this is a very difficult price action here. The price has stuck in a range. There are buyers at the lower end, there are sellers at the higher end. So yes, there is more selling than the buying. We can say that today, if there is a red candle, tomorrow we can expect more sell off in this market. Gold, well, it looks like a swing high forming here. If tomorrow we don't see a green candle, then next week it can fall apart towards 2350. This is the future of the gold that I'm talking about. But if for some reason we find support here, then we can see higher highs in the gold in the next week. But I'm expecting a pullback. Let's see how the things unfold in this one also. Well, Nikkei seems to be holding today. It has seen lower levels, traded this fair value gap, and is trying to rise higher from it. Well, it can go to 40,790 before it starts finding resistance to the level of 40,994, from where I'm expecting it to fall off again. Let's see how the things unfold. So these two levels are the resistance. Potential support is at 39,441. Euro JPY, any rise should be seen as selling opportunity. At actually the price is right now at the zone from where you should be looking for the selling opportunity. Okay, the first target being 169.99, which is the recent low. The second target being this low here, 167.52. GBP target taken, went higher, took the liquidity, came lower. So this fair value gap is what I'm expecting to be traded and then go higher. The potential resistance on the upside is 1.9479. Potential support is 1.9236. Actually, the swing support is very far here, 1.8949. CHA JPY, sell on the rise. So you get an opportunity to go short, you short it with a target of 174.61 with the potential resistance of 177.63. Audi New Zealand, the pullback has arrived now. 1.1041 should be seen as a buying opportunity. If that happens, then we can target 1.1177 because it has not taken this target. We have an unfinished business here. So these levels around 1.1041 should be seen as a buying opportunity for this market. All right. Gas has also everything is retracing today. Why? It is Thursday. So 2.138 is the level which should be acting as a resistance now. If I go to 1 minute, I'm just going to 1 minute for just showing you that the levels that we create, the price reacts to those levels. Okay, so it is not able to go beyond 2.138. So coming back to daily, I'm expecting a target of 1.911 in this market. Okay, guys, on the lower side. That's all, guys, from my side. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. Audi CAD, we included yesterday the Audi CAD in this. My friend was saying that, okay, if there is a buying in this one, I think I told you about that when we went to the hourly, that yes, you can look for the buying opportunity, but only outside this, what do you call it? Channel. It went out of the channel, but then it is after these highs are made. Okay, I will plot that also. After these highs, actually these highs were never tested, so it has created some liquidity here. So that means it will take this liquidity and then go higher again. So there's a lot of potential for the Audi CAD to go higher here. All right, although Australian dollar is on the fall in the long run. So that's all, guys, from my side. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask, or let's go and wrap up the session. I need to go at some place. So, okay, guys, I hope you know about the support and resistance levels. Yes, Sandy, if you're still here, you can acknowledge that. And just remember, if you are new beginner trader, you should not risk more than 1% of your entire equity on any single trade, and look for a potential profit of more than 3 times the risk that you're going to take. I cannot stress it more. This is the most important part in making money. With this note, I shall end this live stream. Please press the like button if you find this video useful for you. You can leave your suggestions in the comment section. And please consider subscribing to the channel for more such webinars if you are new here. Have a good day. Thank you very much for watching. See you tomorrow at 1700 GMT. Bye bye. Take care.